Good morning, class 1. Welcome to your value education class, children. So, today we will do chapter 10 of your book. Okay, chapter 10. We have completed chapter 9, the question answers, fill in the blanks, everything I have given you. So, today we will do chapter 10 of your book. This is chapter 10, right? So, open your book at page number 3737. 3737. This is the picture that you can see here. And what is the name of the chapter? Be neat and clean. So this is very common to all of you. And these days, we are going through the pandemic, so these days we have learned to be more neat and clean, to maintain more hygiene, isn't it? So we are becoming more and more neat and clean these days. We are maintaining cleanliness everywhere, isn't it? We are washing our hand many times a day. So, and we are keeping our house clean, everything. We are not eating anything out from outside also so much, isn't it? So here the class name, the chapter's name is Be Neat and Clean. Here on this page you can see the picture of some children. See, they are brushing their teeth, so they are getting ready for the school and they are eating. So what are the ways that we should follow, what are the things that we should follow to keep ourselves neat and clean? And the value that we'll get from this chapter is cleanliness. Okay, now say, shall I start? Take a pencil in your hand, page number 3737, chapter 10. Cleanliness means keeping ourselves and our surroundings clean. Now, one thing, what is cleanliness? Cleanliness doesn't mean that only we'll keep ourselves clean, we should keep our surroundings clean. Okay, cleanliness means keeping ourselves clean as well as our surroundings, wherever you are living, isn't it? Our house, our society, isn't it? Our colony, our city, our nation as a whole, right? So cleanliness means keeping ourselves and our surroundings clean. So, as to keep yourself clean, you should be punctual. Again, here punctuality means what? We have learned punctual means to be on time, right? So to keep yourself clean, you should be punctual also. Suppose you need to go to school at 7 a.m. Okay, in the morning, and you are not punctual and you are getting up at 6:45, then will you be able to get yourself ready? You will be able, but you cannot maintain all the thing properly. Maybe you may go to the school without combing your hair because you have no time in your hand. So to be clean, we need to be punctual also. If you get up at 6 o'clock or 6:30 a.m., then you will get enough time in your hand to comb your hair properly, to tie your hair, to wear the proper dress, isn't it? To put everything properly, isn't it? So to be clean, to keep yourself clean, you need to be punctual also. For that, what you have to do? You get up early in the morning, you need to brush your teeth, take a bath, wear neat and clean clothes, comb your hair, wear a shiny pair of shoes, be neat and clean throughout the day. So for that, you need to be punctual. For that, what you'll have to do? You have to get up early in the morning. Then only you'll get the time to brush your teeth, to polish your shoes, right? To take bath. Otherwise, if you are late, if you're not punctual, then what happen? You won't get time. You'll get up from the bed, you will wear the uniform as it is without ironing, isn't it? You'll not comb your hair, you'll go to school like this, and whole day you'll live like this. You'll stay like this, right? So it is not good. So you need to be very punctual if you want to keep yourself clean, so that there is enough time in your hand, isn't it, to get yourself ready. Okay, then you'll get enough time to comb your hair, to polish your shoes, to take bath, isn't it? And you'll feel very fresh when you reach school like this, isn't it? And you will be able to give your concentration on study also. Okay, so as to keep your surrounding, and throughout the day you will be neat and clean. Next paragraph. So as to keep your surroundings clean, you must take care of things around you. Now you should keep you should keep your surroundings also clean wherever you stay, isn't it? And then if you want to keep your surrounding clean, you must take care of the things that are around you, isn't it? You must keep your house clean. First of all, you need to keep your study table clean, your house clean, isn't it? You must keep your house clean, keep your books, toys and clothes properly. You need to keep your toys properly. After you play, you should keep them in the right place. You have to arrange your books, isn't it? So, and you should keep everything clean and tidy. You should always help your family members in keeping the house clean. And your parents are there, your mother is there, isn't it? She all throughout the day she work for you, right? And then what happened when she works, you should also help her. You should also help her, isn't it? So that it will be easier for her to maintain everything, to manage everything, to keep your house quite disciplined, isn't it? So you should always help your family members, your grandmother, your grandfather, your parents, your elder brother and sister, isn't it, in keeping your house clean, isn't it? Now page number 38. Wash your hand before and after every meal. That is what we have already learned. Before every meal, whenever you are eating something, you should wash your hand, and after eating also you should wash. Always keep your food clean. We need to keep our food covered, clean, isn't it? Keep your clean utensils should be used. The utensil where you put the thing, the containers, they should be also clean. Vegetables should be washed properly. Cooked food should always be covered. As I told you, the cooked food should be always covered. Okay, you should not keep uncovered food, and you should not eat also the uncovered food. Drink filtered or boiled water. You should keep a filter, isn't it, at home, and you please drink filtered water. Or if you don't have filter, then you have to boil the water, let it cool down, then you drink the water. Okay, before drinking you should boil the water if you don't have filter. So this way you can keep yourself clean. Now the importance of cleanliness, there is a story relating to this. We'll do it in the next class. Okay, read the story properly. Thank you and have a nice day.